Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Hello sir, my name is Jessa Cachuela, 28 years old, single, with no kids, living here in Kawayan City, Isabela. I have one brother and one sister and I am the eldest. I am a college graduate with a Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have 3 years work experience as a helper here in the Philippines, sir. The member was 5. I took care of the children. That is my main duty. I do all the household chores like cleaning the house, doing laundry, washing the dishes, ironing, and sometimes marketing.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always secure the safety of the children, sir. Whenever they are sick, I will check the temperature and call my employer immediately.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, responsible, and patient, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, sir. I have in my arms, here and here.
Okay. Small tattoo only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad in Hong Kong because I want to help my family and save for my future.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
Whenever I'm homesick, I will always remind myself that I need this job in order for me to save money for my future.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. after all of my chores or house chores is done, and I usually wake up around 5 a.m.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calm when dealing with the children.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And I will extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing.
Like the wheels on the bus.
Okay.
Like
Yes, sing it, sing it.
The wheels on the bus
Go round.
go round and wait. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir and ma'am. I hope you will choose me as your helper. I will do my best in order for me to serve your family and yourself. I am honest, hardworking, and responsible.
Uh,